Hey guys, Mark here from Little Kitchen Big Food. I know we haven't posted any videos. It's been too long. We're coming up with some. I'm gonna actually shoot something tonight. It's just gonna be me and the wife for dinner, so I get to kind of take my time with it, which is kind of cool. Part of the reason that videos haven't been going up is I've had to do some overtime at work. My son playing all-star baseball and club baseball. A friend of ours went out of town and we were babysitting their dogs for a couple. That resulted in having to go to the vet with one of their dogs because there was an issue. So there's been a whole lot going on.
Viewer discretion is advised.
And with my schedule and my wife's schedule, everybody at Little Kitchen Big Food's kind of been, there's stuff coming soon. I mean, it's sunny out right now, so weather's gonna be good. We're gonna be doing some stuff on the grill. Did some catering for my mom and dad. Mom said, hey, can you take care of all that? You know, can you just do it? Yeah, me and Dawn, we love doing that. That's our comfort zone is right over there, right over there. That's the kitchen back there. So that's kind of what's been going on, and I could have shot that. We did ribs and my street corn and whatnot, and it all turned out really, really good. So the next one, which mom and dad have asked us to do it again, apparently we did it pretty good. We're gonna change up the menu a little bit. We're not gonna do ribs or something. We're gonna sit down with mom and dad and figure out what they wanna do. And me and Dawn will take care of it from there. And I think we'll actually shoot that. So that'll be coming. The airplane flying over, it's not really that bad at mom and dad's. It's horrible because they're right in the flight path.
Squirrel!
I mean, we started this in March, I think. Well, anyway, we started this in March, and with 0 subscribers, 0 videos, we've got 62 subscribers. All these different channels, we all have, goals. Everybody's probably trying to shoot for that magic 1,000 subscribers. And I want to shout out to some of those new subscribers. We like what they're doing. We're going to go ahead and subscribe and see if he'll call the IRS again. And no, probably not going to call the IRS again. Back to the business at hand. I'm going to link all of these channels below in the description. Go hit these guys up if you haven't. Go subscribe to their channels. Make sure you hit that bell for that notification so you know when guys like Gray County Grillin' is going to put out a new video. He's a good guy. Barbecue Pit Dog. Barbecue Pit Dog is pretty cool. I've enjoyed a lot of his stuff so far. A real heartfelt shout out in Semper Fi to Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria. Last but not least, the Real Show Barbecue. Real Show Barbecue. Yeah, go check them out. Again, the links below. All the links below that are all to links to stuff that you see us using. If you're wondering, hey, you know what? Where did they get that KitchenAid stand mixer? Links down below. You can get it all on Amazon. Go check those out if there's any of that stuff that you need. If you're looking for a new grill thermometer or grill tools or stuff like that, all that stuff's down below in the description, right? That's it for this week, guys. Again, Barbecue Pit Dog. Go check them out. Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria, Semper Fi, brother. The Real Show Barbecue, doing a bang up job. And last but not least, Gray's County Grillin'. Go check those guys out. If you like what they're doing, subscribe to their channel. Tell them Mark from Little Kitchen Big Food sent you, and we'll see you guys real soon, right?